Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Sorry, pandas. A little late here. Just got to get some things set up. Let's get started. Let's get started, shall we? More of my pandas. Scalp that like button. Drop those GMs in the chat. Drop those GMs in the chat. Drop those GMs in the chat. I mean, we literally open above the high. Opening above the high, yesterday's high. It's crazy. Very strong bear bar, though. Very strong bearish move to the downside here. You're thinking long because we're so high up, but with this move down, you're not so confident anymore. Bear bar ending on its low, first bar on the 5-minute chart. Let's see if it reverses here. $50-50 chance it reverses. Get lower high. Not yet. Did I get you short? Did we get it? Doubt it. Might. Did I get you short? 50-50 though. It's a wash. This setup is a wash. I don't care how many times you see this setup, it's a wash. Okay. Decent push down. I mean, bear trend right at the open. Right, the 5-minute regular trading hours. Yesterday's high was right here. We literally opened above it, but straight shot to the downside. Full blown reversal, eh? I'm gonna let this cook a little bit. Good morning, Pandas. Good morning, everybody. We're still on our max payout challenge. We haven't even got one payout yet. It's been a long time. I'm sorry, this is one of the longest streaks that I've gone without getting a payout. It's very frustrating because I'm very used to getting payouts. So this is very strange. Very unlike me not to get payout for so long. I mean, I've got payouts with TPT, but when it comes to Apex, I haven't got any payouts. So I'm just like trying to figure out what's going on, what's wrong here. We're gonna take it slow though. We're gonna take it slow now. We gotta take it slow. No matter what. 3-loss differential. That's it. 3-loss differential, that's it. Should I not even do 3-loss differential? Should I just do 3 losses? If I ever had 3 losses ever. 3-loss differential makes more sense to me. So I got you short. Another one. Another one. Doesn't quite touch 20 made by signal bar. Touch a 20 MA here. Thought about it. Ooh. Show bear bar anywhere it's low. Comes back, retraces here. Uh, thought about it. Coming off the 20 MA. It's a little awkward because it doesn't really hit my trend line. You know what I mean? But it's still pushing down pretty hard. I think I'll feel more confident if we get two bear bars in a row on the 5-minute chart. Then I'm thinking possibly let's just start going short. Still recovering from this cold. Golly. Whoa. Lower high secondary short? Bad signal bar? Bad signal bar? Okay. Okay. Interesting. How big was this move? Outside. Shit. Would have gotten me. Sure. Okay, got two bear bars in a row now on the 5-minute chart. Naturally waiting for the L4 setup, but doesn't give it to me. They're actually waiting for the L4. Naturally. All right, we kind of pushed above the 20 May. I was looking for L4 setup. Is it turn to complete chop here? What's going on? Is it turn to complete chop or what? Wow. Completely sideways. It's like catch a short on the 2500 tick. It's like catch a short 2500 tick. Sorry, Pandas. Recovering from a cold. All right. Not entirely sure what to do here. I mean, if we get good signal bar somewhere up here, I'll look to go short to go back into this trading range. But right now, you don't have an entry here. It's the limit order market. Okay. Okay. No clue. We could try like just a case. We'll get a nice second entry long here. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. Bon voyage. Double top. Comes back into the trading range. Fair enough. I could expected this to happen. I typically don't trade this. I typically don't trade like going short above the 20 EMA like that, but this was kind of maybe expected here. Double top, good signal bar to go short. Ooh, good signal bar to go short here as well. Could be a breakout. Hard to tell because we haven't broken out yet. Wow, that sucks. You go short here and it just reverses on you like that. All right, no, it's a continuation. Lots of retracements today still. Made a new low. Interesting. All right. You're flying back up here? What's going on? What's going on right now? Still in trading range? Fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough. Actually, they give me slippage, which is like amazing. I've never not seen it give me slippage. I just saw the 5-minute bear bar ending near its low. And more than that, ending below the low of the previous candle. I thought potentially we could have a nice push down, and we already kind of broke out, right? We like went below, closed below this low of the pivot. So I thought, all right, maybe potential breakdown here. And obviously didn't, but it's all good. I think it was worth. I think it was worth. Going back and forth here. Okay. Just in case. Got 3 bear bars in a row on the 5-minute chart. I mean, I'm thinking bearish. Thinking this could be bearish here. Got 3 bear bars in a row on the 5-minute chart. Come back down. Too confusing. Virtually have no idea what's happening right now. So I'm just gonna set up my pause. All right. What commissions on these things here? Just waiting. I got nothing here. Lower high, good signal bar. I guess I could try this. Ooh, maybe not so good. Sit on pause. Good signal bar come at the top of the trading range. Maybe come back to the bottom. Only possible if you have like don't really reverses hard on a good signal bar to go short. No clue. No clue what's happening here. Okay. 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 Blasting off. I guess this is a better breakout than over here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is tough, pandas. I'm going to tell you right now, this is very tough. I'm not so confident to go long anymore. Or are you? It's big bear bar coming back to the 20 EMA. Just launches. Cool. I mean, it's tough. It's just tough. Straight up. I'll say right now, this is tough. Very tough stuff here. First entry time. Shall we try? First entry time. Can we make some bamboo? First time in our lives. Nope. Get smacked in the face with the first entry. Oh boy. Why is trading so hard? Alright, another first entry. Let's try again. Ooh, it's a terrible signal bar. I don't know. Alright. Whoa, 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 whoa. Should I just be scalping here? Was that a mistake? Should I just be scalping here? I don't want to see it test again. If it tests again, that's just boo-hooey. You don't want this to test again. You don't want it to reverse again. That's not good news. Okay. It's not looking all too strong. I think we're dead. I think we're dead. First entry here. Well, let's find out if we're dead. Bear bar. Only saving grace if it just launches right here. But if it can't, then I don't know. It needs to launch like now. This needs to launch like right now. Like right now. Darn it. Couldn't quite get there. I think we lose this trade. I mean, we come out break even probably, but it's unfortunate. Very unfortunate. Because it looked strong. And it missed it missed the high of day, right? It missed the high of day by like a couple points. So I thought it would get there pretty quick. And unfortunately it doesn't. I was up 1,000 on that trade. I mean, like you have a clear target, which is the previous day's high, and you miss it by a couple points. Like it's just happening all the time right now. I miss it by 4 points. Like my take profit was basically at the high. So can you blame me for holding to my target? I hope not. I hope not. I wanted to hold to my target, and it was 3 points away, and we had this massive bull bar. Can you blame me for trying? Baby Pan is going a little bit wild. We're going to be silent streaming for a little bit. Looking for a short, just waiting for the timing of it. Might be the close of the 5-minute bar. I am looking for a short though. I was looking for a short, but I don't know anymore. The last few seconds of the 5-minute bar just created this huge tail. Yikes. I mean, it looks like it needs to push down one more time, but I mean, if it's doing this, I'm not going to fight the price action here. Second entry long on the 5-minute chart. Golly, what's happening here? Give me a setup, though, on the 500 tick, please. One time. Let me set up one time here, one time. Here we go, pandas. Let's get ready to rumble. Like, do I even want to go long against this bear bar? This nasty bear bar? Do I even want to go long against this? I don't know. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, so focused on the five. Look at the 5-minute. I missed this move. All right, this is gonna launch, huh? I might have missed the move. It might be one of those just get in whenever you can type things. I don't know. I think I just gotta get in here. Oh boy. Yeah, it's like, oh jeez. I made a boo-boo. I think I made a boo-boo. I think I made a boo-boo, pandas. I made a boo-boo. I made a boo-boo-boo-boo-boo-boo-boo. Ah! I definitely made a boo-boo here. We're dead. I just tried to get long because it looked like it was about to explode. Right, always in long right here. I think I might have made a boo-boo. All right, let's just say I'm in this trade. Let's just say I'm in this higher low right now. I take the higher low right here. Good signal bar as well. Okay, I made a boo-boo. I definitely made a boo-boo. We are dead. We are dead in the water, pandas. I could have came out break even so many times. Do I just come out break even? Stick to my guns? Stick to my guns! I came out break even anyways. I mean, it had like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chances to explode and it didn't do it. So I'm just like, that's too many times. Too many failures for me. If it explodes now, then so be it. I'm just not waiting 5 times. 5 failures. It's all good. Too many failures. Not that it can't work, but with that many failures, you gotta be reasonable, right? You gotta be realistic. Fail to break out 5 times in a row, like move on to the next trade, you know what I mean? Just move on to the next trade. Jeez Louise, this is looking ugly. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6th attempt is, you know, they say 6 times a charm. You know what they say, 6 times a charm. Golly, now it breaks out. I mean, how many times I have to hold through that? I'm not holding through 5 pushes. I don't care. All good. I missed the trade. It's fine. I mean, with 5 like failures, it shook me out. What can I say? 5 failures shook me out. High or low now? The failures show weakness. What's happening here? I'm just whatever. I'm gonna just wait till this is done. This is shenanigans. It's quite a big trading range. I would say effectively it looks like this now, I guess. I mean, should I jump a first entry here? Am I that eager? Oh, jeez. All right, blew right through it. Blew right through my order, unfortunately. All right, now it sunk back in and is coming back deep. First entry hell right now. We are getting destroyed by all the first entries. All good. Can't we get back to my break even? You know it's an issue when you can't get back to the break even. Hold. We are holding here. Yuck. Darn it. Again, break even. I mean, how many failures? 1, 2, 3, 4 attempts? You know what they say, 6 times a charm. And we're dead. And we are dead? Question mark? Lean into your mistakes? Lean into your mistakes! Lean into your mistakes!
Target
oh my goodness! It didn't allow me to get in that the extra position there. Wow, pandas. Wow. That's crazy. We're getting back to the open of the day on the regular trading hours. I mean, this looks wacky to me, but whatever. It didn't even fill me here. It filled me on the next candle, which is absolutely just stupid. Like, why can't it just fill me up here? Why does it, like, give me... what? Doesn't make any sense. I had one contract. How does it not fill me here on this bar? It waits to the next bar and goes underneath how high this went. It doesn't make any sense. I guess it's a limit order, so technically it could make sense, but I don't know. This is one contract. I'm not sure. First entry, heaven or hell? Yikes. Ooh. It's brutal. Whatever. I mean, what can you do? This is just going sideways. Yikes. We're gonna keep going, pandas. We're just gonna keep going. We're gonna keep pressing here. That's wacky. This is really wacky looking. All right. It's about break even. I mean, it didn't even hit where I wanted to go, so it's fine. Oh, I wanted to give it a chance to let it cook. What are we? We're like 1 and 2 right now. Rejected off the previous day's high on the regular or extended trading hours. We're gonna let it relax a bit here before going along again. Let it rest. Good morning, guys. How could I be so rude? Josh Trades, good morning. Tate, good morning. Bill, good morning. Speedy Boy, welcome. Lawrence, welcome, everybody. Joshua Trades. Why is trading so hard? I feel that so much. Okay to hold for a bit. Don't get too greedy. I'm guessing that's what happened over here or whatever. Yeah, we're just gonna wait for this to kind of play out here. This pullback. People are taking profits at the previous day's high. This is all profit taking. Tempting to go long here. Good signal bar, but this push down is strong enough where it might warrant another push down. One more leg now. So I'm gonna let it play out. I'm gonna let the two legs play out here. Effectively, two-legged pullback, right? What you had here was a spike and channel. And out of this channel, another spike and channel. Oh, second push down here. Typically, I look for a reversal in these situations. We're not getting the second pullback, are we? We're not. No, sirree. It tried to get another pullback here, but it didn't get it. It didn't quite get there. It tried to, but it didn't quite get there. Okay. It looks like it'll do it now, all right. That's the second pullback. You're looking for a new low, really, before going long here? Jeez. Yeah, I'm gonna look for a short trade here, I guess. I don't love it, but I'll look for a fail second entry long, I guess. Okay. Typically for new low here. Not new low, but you want to test this pivot. Typically. Second entry long, decent signal bar. All good. I missed the move if it happens, but I want this new low to be created first. I mean, I guess I could go short here. Wow. Yep, new low created. There it is. That's what I was waiting for. Now I can go long. I feel more comfortable going long now. Okay. Not new low, but breaking this pivot low. So I want to test first before going long. Basically creating a two-legged pullback on the higher time frame, right? 2500 tick chart A, B, C. Now we got two-leggy here on the higher time frame. It ends up pushing decently strong to the downside. I guess I should have gone short, but it was an outside bar reversal and hesitated. I wasn't ready for it. Okay. Oh. This candle finished unusually fast. We'll mark it as a buy zone, especially now we're bouncing off of it. I mean, I gotta try, right? Ooh, is it buy? Maybe not. Okay, maybe yes. Very confused. I mean, it's rejecting off the previous day's high like perfectly. So it could be a reversal here. I mean, it truly could be a reversal here. I'm gonna try to go long. Let's see what happens. If it gets me, it gets me. You know what I mean? Oh boy. Okay. Looks like I got a banger here. Looks like I got a real banger here. Uh-huh. I guess we will try. Strong bull bar ending on time. Can we get some follow through one time? Oh, no way. No way. No way. Hey! Let it cook a little bit, yeah. We'll let this cook a little bit, yeah. It's too small. I can't get it in there. Push! Push! Oh, that's not good. Typically not a good sign when it closes beneath the high of the previous bar. We lost. Came out break even. I tried. I tried, pandas. I really did. But what can you do? What can you do? Oh! 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 What is this? Why is it so choppy? Why did it get so choppy all of a sudden? We're gonna just swing it, pandas. We're swinging it. We're gonna swing it. But why are the bars so large? Like, why does my swing cost me $2,000. Why does my swing cost me $2,000? Why can't it just have a small little like dink swing to take me out? Oh my goodness, pandas. We're dead. We tried. We tried to swing it, pandas. No joy. But you know what they say. Oh! That is so annoying, pandas. That is actually so annoying. Can't swing it worth my life. We can never swing our trades anymore. Oh! Jeez, whatever. I mean, we're pretty much break even today, whatever. Golly. Pandas. Is it too loud? It's better. Pandas. My goodness. Why do my swings cost me? I had 4 contracts. Why does my swing cost me $2,000? Like, how is that actually possible that, like, it just. Why can't my swing cost me, like, I don't know, $500? It cost me $2,000 swing. Golly, we come balance off the 20, man. That's absolutely just so stupid. What in the world? Second entry long? No, I fail second entry long. I'm gonna reverse this guy. What is this nonsense up here? What's all this nonsense up here? I'm reversing this guy here. Give me fail second entry long now. Take it. So frustrating, Panis. So frustrating. Like, give me another swing. Why does my swing cost me $2,000? What world does that make sense? What? Like, why does the swing have to look like this? Why is it so ugly? So frustrating. No, I'm reversing this. I don't care what happens here. I'm reversing this. This is absolute trash. I'm reversing this. This is absolute trash. Absolute trash price action. I'm reversing this. I don't care. What kind of absolute trash is right there? So trashy. If it goes up, it goes up. But this is absolutely horrendous. Whatever happened here is absolute trash. It looks good to explode. I don't know. I missed it. I don't know. I can still enter it. Oh! Could have still entered it. I could have retraced. Hey. Absolute trash. I don't want anything to do with this. When it looks like this, pandas, like, I don't want anything to do with the market. I don't want anything to do with the market when it looks like that. Oh boy. I mean, trading range maybe for like next hour. So it seems like explodes, but golly, pandas, that is so frustrating. So frustrating. Get stopped out because of this absolute nonsense. Higher low, higher low. We're just like skyrocketing here. All first entries now. Are we going back to first entry? Is that the only way in? Oh, so frustrating. All of this ruckus for no reason. Can't get in here. I'm just gonna go. Okay. Wait. If you want to explode now, I want to get a piece of you. Bear bar anyone's low. Follow through. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Oh, you're ugly. Oh, your face is ugly. Oh my goodness, we're gonna try anyways. We're in? Oh bueno. You can already tell by the first couple seconds. Like first 3 seconds, you already know if you're gonna win or lose this trade. Within the first 3 seconds, you already know. I guess I should have waited for my second entry long. What in the world? Okay. You're actually gonna give us a second entry long? That's so stupid. I don't know how many times I've like tried to do this and it just goes up without me because I don't enter first entries. And then it gives me second entry, the second pullback, and it always takes me out. I can't tell you how many times it does that. I'm just gonna take it. I'm just gonna take a hit. Like, how many times like do I miss the move because I don't enter the first entry? How many times? That's a pretty bearish bar. What's going on here? I thought we were just bull trend, bull trend day. I thought that's what it was, but it doesn't seem like it anymore. Strong bear bars. So frustrating, Pandas. I cannot tell you how frustrating trading is. You just have to see it for yourself. I mean, dare I just go long here? No way. No way. Doji bar, forget it. I mean, at least I just took the hit. I didn't extend my stop loss. I just took the hit, moved on. The silver lining on things, Pandas. I mean, we're taking a big hit. This is a pretty big reversal. To me, on the 5-minute chart, it's a failed breakout because you only got one close above this, the high of day before. Oh yeah, one close, no follow through. This is one of those trends you can't get in. I mean, I just go short here. Nah, I wait. I'm not in a rush here to lose money. Let's just let it play out. It's so frustrating. All right. So it goes down so far. There's like no entry for you. Golly. No entries, right? No pullbacks for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles. No pullbacks. So you can't even get in a first entry because there's no first entries here. Now we're in a 240 estimate. Now we're in this buy zone here that I marked. Maybe a failed trap. I'll try. Okay, 2 bull bars in a row. Okay. Yuck. I don't know. You can get rid of this. It doesn't seem like any type of support right now. If it slices right through it, then it's not really a support, yeah. What a push down. And the worst part is there were no entries to jump in here. So frustrating. Okay. I mean, the market's very volatile right now, but look at the 5-minute chart. It's absolutely diabolical. It's not very clean. It's not a very clean price action here. It's a lot of overlapping bars. A lot of overlapping bars. First entry off the 20 MA. Cool stuff. This is like another example where you just got to get in the first entry. It's the only way to get in the trend. Okay. Second entry here. Ugh. It's not the prettiest, but turning to a limit order market as well. I'm pretty sure EV's all sapped out of the market now. Pretty sure there's like virtually no EV left right now to trade. The 50-50 trade here. Remark this because it's kind of irrelevant again. Jeez. Okay. Not exactly sure what this market's telling me right now. Nah. Nope. Very confusing. Oh man, like I just don't know if this is going up or down. I guess currently going up, but doesn't mean much in a trading range. Oh boy, it's tough. Little spike to the downside there. Interesting. I could try this, but it's probably bad. That signal bar. I don't think I could fail trap here. Does that make sense? Fail trap here? I kind of did the fail trap here. Does that make sense? I guess not. It exploded. I should have taken the trap. Oh, I mean, I saw the signal bar. I just did not like that. That is just terrible. Whatever. You win some, you lose some. As long as the outcome is income. Pandas. This is treacherous. Treacherous waters we're in. Be careful. And I think everything's like a scalp. You gotta scalp everything today. No swing trading. I tried swing trading already. Busted my face. Feels like limit order market trading as well. So like, I don't want to go long near top of resistances, near resistances. Man, it's tough. We're about to end the stream though. I'll tell you what. We're about to end this stream. I'll tell you what. Okay. No clue what to do here. I mean, I already missed the move, I guess, right? Like, that was the move I wanted. I was thinking about it, but nah, just didn't happen. I was looking more for the failure, especially when your 5-minute bar looks like this. I think maybe one more push down. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. Just buy. What? That's crazy. Oh, it doesn't give me any pullbacks. Ah. It gets close to a pullback, but it doesn't quite give it to me. Here, maybe? Maybe? Wow, we got a pullback. It's almost too good to be true. It almost feels like a trap. First entry. Is that the only way to get in here? That single bar. This doesn't look too hot to go long here anymore. Oh boy. Such a strong push down. Triple top basically on the 2500 tick. Ugh. Ew. I'm gonna try, but ew. I'm trying bad like setups because it seems like the bad setups are working, good setups are not. So we're gonna try bad setups and see if we can get some bamboo. Got massive slippage there. You gotta love that. You gotta love that massive slippage. Went back up again. We'll try one more time. Okay. Thoughts and prayers. Oh, I was thinking about reversing that. But outside bar reversal, no thank you. Maybe I should reverse. I don't know. Goes back up. Let's try one more time. It's funny because actually it fills me in a spot the price doesn't even reach. Last attempt here. I mean, I guess I gotta reverse this now. If it triggers again, I gotta reverse it now. If it triggers again, I gotta reverse this now. Nah, I just take the hit. Move on with our lives. Call it a day. Ah, this is hard to hold. I'll hold. Last trade of the stream, probably. Hold. It looks like shenanigans though, right? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 attempts to break out, but all fails. 6 times a charm. You know what they say. 6 times a charm. I'll hold for the sake of content here. Let's hold. Oh, I don't like it anymore. Get me out. 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 Get me out.
Target
All right, I'm
filled.
out. I'm out. I'm out. I don't like it anymore. Oh, it's too hard. I mean, it got so choppy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 11 bars in a row. Even if it does break out, I always get out right before the breakout, pandas. This is why I want to hold. But every time I hold, it stops me out. It's just like the rule of the market. No matter what, I'll always be wrong. If I hold, I'll get stopped out. If I don't hold, it'll break out. I just can't win, pandas. I can't win. I can't win ever. That just seems like the law of the market right now. I really didn't like the 5-minute candle. Printed a bear bar, and I thought it would have another push down here. I really didn't like that bear candle on the 5-minute chart. That's why I let it go. But I mean, it's working out. Obviously, it's pushing up, and it is what it is. But that is crazy. I'm just like, I don't like that at all. Yeah, it didn't help the fact that this was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 11 bars in a row. That didn't help the cause. You know what I mean? Now we're breaking out. I guess I could have held at least for that high. Test this pivot high. I can't trade. I can't trade anymore. I don't know how to trade, pandas. I don't know how to deal with these markets anymore. Every year is different. I think it's absolutely true. You're when you say you're a profitable trader, that's only in the past tense. Being a profitable trader is only can be seen with hindsight bias. There's no way. Like you just know you're gonna be profitable all the time. It's a reality of trading. It's very tough, pandas. Very hard. Like some of the toughest conditions. So many overlapping bars. And lots of this like nonsense here, which is super frustrating. Get stopped out here, get stopped out here. I tried 2 times. It takes me on the same bar both times. It's just so crazy, right? Like I entered here and it took me on the same bar. I entered here, it took me on the same bar. That's crazy. That's just it's insane to me. No, this is just blasting off. I mean, I missed the whole move. This is the move I wanted. Oh man, that's so frustrating. This spooked me. This bear bar spooked me. I was like, all right, maybe it's probably gonna push down one more time before lifting off, creating a second entry long. But nope, it doesn't. Right when this bar closes, it just got bought up. It's crazy, man. This is absolutely insane. Make all-time highs here. I mean, 2 bars, 2 bull bars. I'm just buying. I see 2 bull bars here. I'm just buying it. Nope. This is literally the all-time high. At least wait for a pullback when it looks like that. When you have a bear bar like that, you're thinking it's gonna at least trigger right a little bit push down, but it doesn't. Instead, it continues up. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I can't trade these markets, pandas. This is just, it's so difficult. It is so insanely difficult to trade these markets for me. So much chop every day. And I just stare at the market, get no entries. Absolutely no entries here. Now 1440, pandas. Like, why? So insane. Get stopped out twice. I couldn't hold my third time. So dumb, pandas. So incredibly stupid. If there's no pullback here, I'm just buying it. Another fake pullback here. I'm gonna buy it. If it doesn't pull back here, okay, finally. And the moment bar closes on the 5 minute, it just reverses. This is kind of insane. Oh, never mind. I thought it was all-time highs. I thought we were up here. We actually haven't hit all-time highs yet. I guess I can reverse this. I don't know. Trap trade on the daily chart, which is kind of crazy. Right? You got a trap trade on the daily chart. Marking this as like a sell area. Fail second entry long. I'll look for it, but we'll see. Means I want to go short. Means I want to see this reverse from here. Lots of overlapping bars. I mean, nothing is clean here. Lower high. Could take the cake. We may not get our fail second entry long. We might not even get a second entry long. And that's the hard part about waiting for the setup. It's just a lot has to happen for it to work out. Not eager to go short here. Not eager to go short here. Golly. Like maybe eager if this has such a big tail. All right, good skip, I think. Oh, yuck. Here we go. Looks a little bullish right now. Strong bull bar right there. That'd be silly for me to go short here, but hey. I've done sillier things, let's say that. Almost triggers it. Doesn't quite trigger it. I'm glad it didn't trigger because I would have lost that trade. Weird. Okay. I want to go short, but I went too high. It's above the 20 MA. I wanted to go short there, but I couldn't. What's up, man? Like none of my setups are actually happening. And uh, 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 okay. Higher or low? Hey, hey. How do I take this trade? Just leave it alone. So frustrating. Oh, I'm so frustrated. This hold could not hold through that. I could not. I simply could not. I simply could not hold through like so many overlapping bars. Curious to see what happens here. Bull bars. Two bull bars in a row. Strong bull bars. Okay. Maybe a lower high would be a good trade here. Oh, that. Oh. Wow. Pretty horrible price action here. Okay. I don't really have a chance to go short here. I was looking for you know, a lower high entry. We never got it. We never got it. We never got the entry, pandas. Like I wanted a lower high, and now it's tumbling. It's just not giving me any entries, and I don't know what to do. I can't get in. Like I'm waiting for my entries here. Now we get a lower high, but it's a little far away. Potentially to support. Macros Panda, you're over trading, not the entry. You are trading inside your trade. You're trading inside your trade, which is messing up your strategy. Place a trade and leave it alone. Wise words. We're wise, Panda. Huh. Lower high here. I don't think I can take this lower high. The 2500 tick chart is dancing on the my gosh, dancing on the 20 EMA. That's like actually long waiting. Lower high here. I'll take a fail second entry long at this point. The 5 minute is like pretty like, even though it's choppy, it's like it's just going up in this channel like this. It's pretty uniform here. All right, here we go. We don't get our setup. I was looking for the fail second entry long. We don't get the setup. Okay. We missed the trade. We missed the move. It's fine. Like, at this point, I don't care. It's actually quite sideways, if anything. So maybe best it didn't set me up so I don't take any trades here at all. Sorry, Pendas. Getting over this cold. Am I eager to go short? A little bit. I just wanted my setup. I just want my setup. If it's a strong bear bar, I may just have to go short, though. Ugh. Ooh, look at this slippage right there. It's nasty. Golly, look at this. Maybe it's a good thing I didn't get my setup. Maybe it's a good thing. Bounced off this area like quite perfectly, which is the previous day's high. At this point, I almost want to take a failed trap here. To go long. Yuck. 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 There's no possible way I can actually take this, can I? It's a really small risk. Okay. It's a small-ish risk? Alright, I'm scared. I'm very scared here. It doesn't even trigger, which is great for me. So I just skip the trade altogether. Nothing to miss if it doesn't trigger. And it's good you wait for it because now it's doing something. It gives you more information. Prevents you from entering. Wow. Interesting. I gotta take the fail trap here, Pandas. I'm sorry. I have to try. If this trap triggers, I gotta take the fail trap. Doesn't even trigger. It's just going completely sideways. In and out, in and out, in and out of the 20 MA. I should just let this go. Just end the stream. Just trade again tomorrow. Or trade again next trading day. Nah, me Pandas. Nah, I mean. Okay. Here we go. He needs to slice through this red box like butter. Oh, we're dead. If it stops me out, break even, I mean, it might trigger it might create a fail second just short here. I don't know. It could have sliced it through like butter. It couldn't do it. Bon voyage. Bon voyage, breakout. Sorry, not much I can do there. SpaceX is tumbling down. Another reversal off of here. All right. This red box. We're in it again. Dare I? I mean, dare I? It really doesn't make sense, pandas. I'm telling you right now. It really doesn't make sense. I should be going short here, if anything. In and out of 20 MA here. Market's absolutely untradeable at the moment. I don't like it, pandas. I really don't like this trade. Look at this. It just snaps back. Glad I didn't enter. It's a limit order market. Why am I trying to trade a breakout right now? Really dumb. Really dumb trade. Or the best trade ever. There's a lot of consolidation. Hopefully we can just lift off here. I mean, I'm good until there's a reversal, right? I guess the question is, why am I still trying to swing trade here? Why am I still trying to swing trade? Quite nonsensical. Yet here I am. Trying to swing trade still. Oh boy. Is there any reason for me to let this cook? Is there any reason for me to let this cook? Nah. Is there any reason for me to let this cook? Huh? Huh? Push! Push! Come on! No! 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 Oh, why? Why am I not just scalping out like my $1,000? Why am I not just scalping out? Why am I always looking for the extra? Know what I mean, Panis? I'm always looking for the extra. The extra juice. The extra squeeze. It's not the day for it, especially. All right, market wants to reverse. I'm down. I'm game. If you're reverse, I am game. I'm game. I'm game here. I'm absolutely game to reverse this. This basically another failed breakout. Last trade of stream. Win or lose. Here we go. I want the setup though. I actually want the setup. Give me the setup, please. Doesn't give it to me. It's gonna go without me. I just can't get the setup in this. Like, it's just not happening. It's just not happening. All right, here it is. If I get a fails against you long here, I'm going in no matter what to go short. All right. I mean, this could explode to the upside, but that is one ugly looking, signal bar. It's coming off a resistance level. Pretty strong resistance level in my opinion. Failed to break out on the higher time frames. We'll try here one time. Good signal bar for me. Thoughts and prayers, Pandas. Here we go. Okay, it didn't reverse immediately. Okay, yes, it did. I was like, gonna say at least it didn't reverse on me immediately, and then it did. I thought I had a little promise in it, but we'll probably just lose this trade and move on with our lives. First 3 seconds, you know if you're gonna win this trade, and I'm pretty certain I'm gonna lose this trade. First 3 seconds were not too convincing. Oh, okay, hello. Okay, you know, slight push down here. That's not good. We'll just hold. I cannot fight the 20 EMA on the higher time frames though, I don't think. We're gonna have to really slice through the 20 EMA here. We're gonna have to really slice through this. I don't think we will. I don't think we can. We haven't been able to for a long time. If we do, we're in this trade. Yeah. Yeah. I think that 20 EMA is too strong. That 20 EMA is too strong. You know what though? I'll just take the loss. I don't mind. We'll just take the loss and then trade again tomorrow. I want to see it through. I like the setup. I actually like what I see here. Just a higher time frame, 20 EMA just seems impossible to break through. We'll see. This will be the deciding factor here, I think. Yeah, we're dead. That was the deciding factor right here. We're dead. We hold. Hold. Ooh. Hold. Hold. No way. No way. No way. This works. No way. Are we actually pushing here? Kind of want to see this cook. I kind of want to see this cook a little bit. I kind of want to see this cook a little bit, Pandas. Don't you kind of want to see this cook a little bit? Oh! Of course! Of course! Of course, Pandas. Of course, Pandas. No, stop. Does it take him out break even and then continues to push down here? Of course. That's absolutely insane and wild and crazy and just absolutely frustrating, Pandas. Of course. I wanted to see it cook a little bit. No cooking whatsoever down here today. Only thing being cooked is me. Being absolutely fried. Oh, that 20 EMA. Just a little too strong right now. Just too many bounces off of it. I thought we could maybe come back to the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. We got 2 bear bars in a row. Looks decent to go short. You know what I mean? Ah, bear bar. Takes you out break even. It might actually end up being a strong push to the downside here. I mean, at this point, what can I do? Am I going to go in here? After several attempts, I just don't know. At a certain point, just give up. I mean, like, you think you're cleared, right? Once you have, like, 2 legs down, you think you're kind of clear. Like, if this is going to push, like, you think it's going to push, but not come back to break even again. It's unfortunate. Takes me out break even. I thought I was safe. I took my risk off, and obviously I paid the price. Taking my risk off, I pay the price here for that. Ends up pushing down even further. I don't know. Second just short. I could look for it. Maybe here. Geez, man, oh man, this is rough. At the end, like we're just in this trading range, like absolutely just terrible trading range. Of course, it'll take me out break even. I didn't even like double up my position here. Of course, it takes me out break even and then pushes down again. Of course, like all. How many points was that? Of course, it's gonna make a 33-point retracement perfectly to take me out break even and then push down. Of course, like why wouldn't it? Of course it would do that. Of course. Of course. Jeez, pandas. This market is untradeable for me. I can't do it. Like it takes me out perfectly break even. Now it goes down where I wanted it to go down over here. Oh boy. So how many times can that happen in a row? I don't know before you just lose it, you know? How many times have had that happen in a row before you just absolutely lose your mind? You absolutely go bonkers. It's absolutely insane, pandas. Like, well, I mean, I guess it didn't go all the way down. I kind of don't mind this coming back up here because my target would have been like 240 SMA, something along those lines. At least this high here. That's my target. I guess I could have held at least a 1 to 2. Doesn't quite get there. Gets there later after it takes me out break even. It must be people who make the 1-to-1. They scalp out, causing this to come back up. But the traders who are still, and also the bulls who go long, scalp out here, and that causes this push down, this move up and push back down. I don't know. Strong bear bar, it's low. I mean, might as well go short here, yeah. It's coming off the 20 EMA as well. I would like the second to short if I can get it. I might get an actual setup here, pandas. It's been like 40,000 years to like before the last time I got a setup here. But we might get a second entry short actually coming off 2 key areas. It's just very difficult to come by this setup because the market just moves with first entries. This is why I keep trying to go into first entries because for the last like 4 months it's just first entries, first entries, first entries, and then when I enter a first entry, it creates a second entry, stops me out. Of course. I went away from my second entry. Whatever. It's a better setup, but jeez Louise, pandas. Like, is it gonna happen? Are you gonna give me a second entry here? 2 bear bars in a row. I mean, how many times do I get like 2, 3 bear bars in a row and it comes back to break even? How many times? Okay, we actually get a second pullback. It's a miracle, pandas. We got a second pullback here. Doesn't quite touch any of my key areas here, and it's not really a good signal bar. I mean, if it just comes back down here, it's a wash. It's a difficult trade to take. It's not necessarily a strong downtrend right now. I mean, it's a bad signal bar. Everything about it's not good. Can you actually give me a setup here? Is it possible? I mean, if you give me a setup, I'll take it with 2 here. As long as it's not too far down. Golly, look at this. Now I have to take it like down here. It's never clean. Never clean. Good enough for me. Good enough for me. Trend line, 20 EMA, downtrend. Targets below. Let's try. Okay, I'm glad that happened. I'm glad this happened. It might make it easy to skip. Oh boy. Now you can't even take this, which is good. Because now you know exactly what to do, which is not to take that trade. I don't know. What do you do here, Pandas? Just launches. I mean, I guess they're just trading range. What can you say here? Second just short, so absolutely wild. Strong bull bars, can't take it. Ugh. Kaputs! It's kaputs! No matter what, I'm scalping my next trade. I'm taking a 1-1, no matter what. I'm taking a 1-1, no matter what. Here. No, I mean, if this goes down on this signal bar, well, there's literally nothing I can do about that. I'm never taking this signal bar. I'm never taking that trade to go short. It's a bull bar breakout. I simply cannot take that trade. Maybe I go short here if I really like this entry bar. You're better off with a lower high or some sort. It's funny enough, because, like, let's say I have my targets beneath here. I would have got break even out here anyways. There's, like, virtually no chance I hold any of this. I mean, two strong bear bars. I gotta try. I'm just gonna go short here. I do not care. It's like two massive bear bars in a row. I'm gonna try and go short here. Wow. Missed my target by ticks. I actually missed my target by a couple ticks. Just saying. Missed my target by ticks, Pandas. Like ticks, I'm telling you, just ticks. Missing it by ticks. It missed it by. Oh. I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it, Pandas. I'm absolutely gonna just lose my mind. What kind of reversal is this? And then why do we have follow through after a strong bull bar ending on its high? It does. I'm losing my mind here. Missed my target by ticks. Ticks, I tell you, ticks. Every day like this. Every single day is like this. Every single day is absolute trash. Deep retracements every time. Good, good. Bear barney nearest low. Good signal bar to go short. If that's your thing. But if you bounce off like this area like this, I'm just clueless on what to do here. Like this is a second edge short. This look at this signal bar. Impossible to trade, but yeah, it works beautifully. It's a bad setups that work. Look at this. Like, how can you go short here? Could you ever go short here? Yeah, whatever. 2 bear bars in a row. Retrace back to break even at least. Happens all the time. Happens more often than not, I'll say. Because rarely, like, you have a runner, right? Rarely your runners work. 90% of the time, it comes retraces back to break even. 90% of the time, I would say. Miss my target by ticks. Like this. That's the theme of the day today. Like I said, retrace back to break even 90% of the time. Ugh. Whatever. If this is all you're gonna give me, I'll take it. If this is all you're gonna give me, I'll take it. Whatever. There's nothing I can do about it. What kind of follow through is that? What kind of follow through is that? It makes a new low. I mean, that could be enough for this to reverse all the way back up. I don't know. My last trade. I can't take any more trades. I'm done. Pandas, like, absolute trash day. What can I say? I'm done. I'll see you guys next week. Friday is Juneteenth, so there's no trading. But I'll see you guys bright and early on Monday. Absolute trash day, Pandas. Absolute trash. Goodness gracious. Every single day. That's how it is, Pandas. That's just how it is. That's how the market is. It's just what it is, Pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early. I can't even take. Can I even take a trade? Can I put a trade in? It's bouncing off. Wick here. Like, retraces all the way back up, Pandas. The reason why I held is because the trap triggered on the 2500 tick chart. The outside bar reversal. It triggered. And it reversed, like, completely all the way back up. Like, what? What am I supposed to do with that? We'll take this, whatever. I mean, this is how it wants to happen. I'll take whatever I can get. Might as well. Might as well trade this to the daily loss limit DLO. Like $100 left. sense, but whatever.
Target filled.
It stopped me out on it just stopped me out the moment it entered. I don't know. I don't get it. It didn't make any sense. Whatever. All right, Pandas, I'm done. I'll see you guys. Absolute trash price action every single day. Look at the 5-minute chart. Look at what we're dealing with. Literally every single bar overlapping. It's absolutely insane. That's what we're dealing with. Takes you out break even here perfectly, then pushes down. Break even again, pushes down. Miss my target by ticks, pushes up. Go short here, so I got you short. Trying to get the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. It reverses all the way back up, takes my stop loss out. It does end up coming here again, but only after making a new low, which is absolutely insane. And then I'll push it down, so it is what it is. And I'll see you guys bright and early. I mean, I was short bias. You know the trading's hard when you're short, the market's going down, and you're short, and you're going short entries, and you cannot make money. That is when you know the market's absolutely just horrendous. And that's what we're dealing with. So, Paradise, I'll see you guys next week. Have an amazing week, everyone. As always, have a good. Bye.